Hola bafethu, and welcome to Take Me Through Your Journey with the one and only Maboko Tobafethu. Autiaka Simfethu, Autiaka Si Freedom Square, the Dark Man, yeah? Who's that? Ntanga, who's that?
Wait.
Abachaya san.
So papa.
You know what over question. Yeah, I answered it as honest as I can.
Welcome to another episode of Take Me Through Your Journey with myself, G1 and the only Maboko. And today, I've got a man who doesn't need any introduction. The man of the moment, Chief Ona.
Hey, Maboko.
Chief Leo.
Sure. Back.
Who's that, Chief?
Ke sharp wena.
I'm not.
Ke ha wa mpona. Ke latile.
Okobisede Magotman. Okobisede.
Ya ka lo yana ke said because we take it like nene ke lapile.
I ka rekela breakfast.
Ya papa monna.
Ke re ke tlo shapa ka
Allah sa.
dilo tse di reg man. Ke tlo shapa ka dinner dilo tse di reg.
Ya re sharp
O
man.
tla ba sharp.
Ya.
O ska ba wa during interview.
Ke se ka thuthumela nna go tla la sharp sa.
As myself sharp. O sa pomp.
Tlolatsi.
Anyway, let's get to it. Grootman ilaka. Nna ke a o fostana mara batho ba bang ba o fostana. Ntate Chief ke mang? What do you do? Grootman ilaka.
Yeah, Mabokoto, thank you for the opportunity. Pentse re bana ba ka o mama ne.
Yeah.
Mara ke sa le ngwana. Ke o tata ka o mama.
Yeah.
But ke ngwana mokasi ke tlhaketse ko Pelenomi. Ke ngwana ko Rockland. Believe me ke tlhakile ka 6 months.
No wonder the last house.
Gona dilo tse dintse ga ke le ntse ga ja a bona. But ke monate ke ngwana ko kasi ke goletse ko kasi ya.
Okay, Sgela, why is he primary, high school?
Ne ke tsena ko Karabelo ko Rockland da.
Okay.
Ke na le cousin ya ka le bitla ke Tifetso. O nkita ka 2 years. Hane a tshwantse a ye ko sekolong.
Yeah.
A ba decide re mothako le nna ka mo emela o. So re tsene sekole from really 6 until matric. So mara ntse ke le ngwananyana o ithatela bo dibolo ko Sgela.
Sure.
Then gopola ko primary ha o le motelle o bina base.
Eh.
Ha o le motelle either striker ka pa yeng
Backline.
o number 5. Ba o shebela ha o le montshonyana ba re tsamoletsa bele. But ke khotse ke le ngwana o sharpo.
Sure.
Ba if o no mpitsa nna go zone ka sa treta ga Pirates di Chiefs tshemeka ha o tse because ke rona le rena le TV nyane kana black and white. That is why le bitso le la Chief le tswang ko teng.
Oh,
Yeah.
I wanted to ask about that. Finally,
Ha on trapa ha o tsene ka weekend da.
Maganong ka maotong no le monate.
Yo ke batle ke go gakana. No ne ke le monate. Ne ke le monate ka left.
Ke position e finga o tshwara.
Ke 3.
Mara
le no ntse ke le monate le.
So we ipapala 3 fa ona position engwe.
A ke khone la le bo keeper ka ratla mo bo keeper. Ke na le funny story ko bo keeper.
Go keep it.
Mara ke khona go sheba ground la ka mo right.
Sure.
Ha ke tseme ka mo right ke khone go sheba ground so.
So the only activities you were involved Sgela in at soccer sport.
Le soccer le go binanyana bikinyana.
Okay.
Yeah.
So at some point, ipona o le somewhere ka bolo or because as relevant we have goals. So when I finish up my matric or my varsity days, I wanna do 1, 2, 3.
Yeah. Taba ya bolo nna e tlhagile ka taba gore ke gola ke itse papa ka ele the brother ya Teenage Dlala.
Okay.
So if go thwe madi a gago ke a bo Teenage Dlala.
Yeah.
Bona la o
You were
tsuela
convinced.
bosigo ela wa tsoga because Teenage Dlala.
On that note, is it true or because I just heard something that is very catchy? Ohola Otseba, was it true? Take me through that
Yeah,
teenage Dladla story.
ke bone papa ka less than 1 hour na mo life nyaka.
Okay.
Even ha ke re 1 hour ke a impa ke khabisa.
Okay.
Ke so less than 30 minutes.
Okay.
Ke a itse ke na le papa, ke a itse papa o ko Gauteng.
Okay.
Ha ke le 6 papa ke yo tla ka sekorokogonyana sa Colt ko ntlong.
6 years.
Yeah.
Cool.
Ke be ke decide go no nna ka tsama le papa nna.
Cool.
Man le mangwana mo lo mong papa ke papa. So papa ba ya ko chomi ya gagwe. But it was closer le ko family nya ko hae.
Cool.
So I sale ke tshwareletse ko
Go show me.
choming. And then papa be can drop a ikela ko Gauteng.
Sure.
Up until today on tsale ko Gauteng. Ha ile go ntsale ko Gauteng.
Sure.
But high sense ke spana ke le bo 19. Ke be ke decide go no man. Go te Pirates Legend ba semeka le ba Chiefs Legends ko Vale.
Okay.
Ke lo kopana le Teenage Dladla because of go te ke brother ka Teenage Dladla.
Okay.
So but o tlo bone mogau wa modimo o yang. Ha ke a ko ntlonyele. Ke granta tula ntsa phela. Aba nthekela le stone ya ka ngwana medula mohatsi. Taba tse ke tlo bolelang tsone. Di batla go dutse mohatsi.
Okay.
Ke nagana go tsena ke tshwere ticket ya train. Abantu phela go no man. Papa yes una ale blomo ba ira ditsela tse go ya go bo en mamang ba. But ha itla mo blomo ha sha ya mama.
Bathulana ko bathulana.
Mama ka sketsenyana sa go le reko a mo sha ya ge go no yene ke ngwana bo Teenage Dladla mama ha skepsela sa bodimo wala ke wa tlhaga after 6 months wa bo.
Sure.
So mama le ene ha ke tlhake mo blela go no man ha se the true story.
Yeah, Teenage Dladla.
La Teenage Dladla.
Cool.
Una sa itse skepsela sa modimo ka go liwa ka be ka man go sharp.
It is what it is. Cool.
Ba ka gona le go tsamaya.
Sure.
But it was just a lesson ya gore ka mo ntle go na le makanyana ba sha ya batho ka mabitso a batho.
Ka dikanto tsa batho ba bang. Cool. And then you just mentioned Lereko. Mama o tswa Lereko.
Mama o tswa ko Lereko.
O tswa Lereko.
Le nna ke tswa ko Lereko le nna.
Ho mama is it wena fela ka pona le the brother the
Ke
sister?
nna that is why ke tlhakatlhakane. Ha ke sena tšhelete ke nna ha ke itumetse ke nna. And
So-
then mama o tswa Lereko and then ha ke tsa go tlhaga mama ka sakola a khona go bola ko sekolong.
Okay.
Yeah, she was just a domestic worker. Ke yone Spanish city.
Cool.
Yeah.
So o ya ko Lereko because mama na kena Lereko cause wa kapa ine le your choice.
Ai, we itse ko hae go ke tabe yang. Ko hae ha o sa support Celtic. Ha ngwana na.
Ngwana go Dladla.
Ha o sa e ko Lereko ha ngwana na.
So, you know where am I going ka story seo? Ke tswa ko Lereko ne. And I get a bit time like. So
Oh, wena. It's
I'm wondering man, is it possible?
Lereko go na le itsenya le se monate ka Lereko man.
Ma already knows about Tamalai. Ntatemolo wa hao. Oh, nice. But at least yeah, wabona something at least it's a sense. But then you're talking about going Koval at the age of 19. Olo confirm the story of Teenage Dladla. Mo blomo kapa ke re in South Africa bongata ba rona re qeta sekela re le baholo. Ke taba ya ho fail and all that. Are you working? What do you do at the age of 19 years? You traveling from Bloemfontein all the way to Val on your own. What were you doing at that age?
Mabokoto re gotse rona re rutwa go save. Ke ne ke na le buka ko post office. So ke ne ke tlwaetse gore ha ke na le tšhelete ka save. If kana go tseletsa bo 1980 bo 1990 ha o ka palama taxi mo toropong o bo go ya ko Celtic ba tla go isa ko gae because ntlo ya ko gae ha e sa le green.
Yeah.
Go tloga since ke itse until today.
Cool.
Di player tsa bo Celtics tsa khale bo Masonic bo wa Chorate bana ba go bala da kore ha go thwe ba se ya Celtics ya tla e tla ba collected da
Sure.
wa ko Johnson Bide go go tshimikwa bolo go na le ka nako tseno go le batho ba di-valiant no go tsamaya ka di-valiant le re ditlhatswa di-valiant so tšhelete nyana eo ya go tlhatswa
Yeah.
le re like ntho go ga ene le sporto gape
Yeah.
so ka rekisa ke ngwananyana o stola staganyana ka rekisa tšhelete nyana e ka e beya
Re kisetsa bona magoti bana ba tla
ba aparang di-brain tutu bone
Yeah.
Oh,
nice.
so le taba ya bolo ke nagana because of the player tsa kgale tsa Celtics ba ne ba le kwae ba ne ba inspire because ke ba ka ba thasha ka ba bona o mong ha nyametse ka itse go potetse ka go sima manka next door ke nna ke ba latang
Oh. So the relationship between you, because rona re tseba wena, like people from the streets, re tseba wena most of us. Ha re tsebe old lady, ha re tsebe nkgono, re ba tseba Dumelang Mama Shap. The relationship between you and Tate Molemela, because I remember for the past few years, Onontom organized the birthday celebration.
yeah
How do that come about? Was it because of Onotsebana Lady players at Celtic? How what's the relationship?
the relationship ke ya gore Ntate Molemela o tswa ko site tsa Bosana Sports
Yeah.
my grandfather or my grandfather o tswa
From your
family ya
mother's
rona e
side.
tswa ko Bethani
Okay.
so ha o tswa palame taxi ha o tswa ka Blomo go na le dithaba mo
Okay.
Ntate Molemela na go bala la
Okay.
so ka mantswa maona bereka mo a go bala mo
Yeah.
but my grandfather le ene o na bereka mo
So this is before the whole Bloemfontein Celtic thing.
yeah
Okay.
yeah. So go diragetse go hanta Ntate Molemela di family ya gagwe e tlhokafala mama le papa a ne na batla Blomo tlo go batla mmereko.
Yeah.
Then hana go ntse ya ke mo my grandfather a mo adopta mo teng
Okay.
ke before the famous Ntate Molemela
Yes, yes. Yeah.
ke mama adoptile mo teng ba gotse mmogo go nna rege ebile ngwana o mongwe wa Ntate Molemela o reletswe ka ene my
great.
yeah
Cool.
so rona re itse Ntate Molemela kwa ditšhelete
Yeah,
re itse
yeah.
Ntate Molemela wa di-shortpene tse brown
Yeah.
o na palama baesekele go tloga mo go ya Thabanchu kapa kae yeah so the two families ha e sa le ba itsane from
Way back.
way back yeah
But it's not about Ntate Molemela. But is it true the stories are? Because I've only heard it from the streets. Horona rekisa di khorolo ka bicycle. Before
but
Celtic.
yene o na le gutu ka mo tabeng ya di-bicycle
Yeah, di bicycle.
yeah
Oh.
yeah
One day we'll get that story, right?
yeah and then so Ntate o irile ntho tse ngata man ha ne re tsena sekolo ko Lereko the full half ya team ne re semeka ka yone e ne le di-player tsa Celtic
Kasgen.
Kasgale
Cool.
bo Maradona bo Moleko bo Disco ba ne ba dula ko Ntate
Yeah.
but ne re dula re na le problem if Celtic se tshameka ka Laboraro away ha re na
The
team
players are not here.
or if e le nako tsa di-exam ba tshwanetse ba tsamaye di matitšhere ba tla ba re ke nako ya di-exam so ne re dula re na le problem
Cool.
mara tla ko be le security engwe ya ko Lereko ko dikolong matitšhere ke bone ba ba tsenyang scheme
Yes.
but ko Lereko e ne kenywa ke ngwana
Ke ngwana
sekolo
sekolo. Yeah.
so nna le ke dala ko morago Dejuku a dala ko 9
Sure.
so ne re every time re tshwara bolo
Yeah.
a ke phase ba bang ke phase Dejuku
Kopile
ko pele so ka itse gore ha re tshameka next week o starta ka nna
Okay.
ke re nna ka mo phasa nna.
Okay, na Kenyanski.
ke la tsenya scheme ke le ngwana sekolo
You were strategic.
so nna ke dula ke mo phasa why senya ha senya
E batla yena o mo neile.
but football ne le monate ka nako e
Yeah.
o ne o kgona go itse di-opponent tsa dikolo tse dingwe gore ke bomang
Cool.
ne go na le bo Majefe ko Sunelo ha o ya ko Kaelang o kry-a Dedi Kgopane go Dedi Kgopane ne o yana ke goalkeeper coach ko Celtic
Yeah.
ko go no itse ha o ya ko Simbenet wa kopana le bo General
Yeah.
no yana sekolo strata se na leng soccer club bona ne re triala ne ke tswa ko Phameng ko Koklete ke ya ko Phameng ke lo go trialela go tshamekela
Bapala
junior
certain
Celtics.
team. Cool.
Wa bona no yana go na le bo di stream A stream B stream F stream mama ha o re stream A di tse loko stream B ha ba
Ha
hetsa
ba qeta.
ha go batliwa final loko ha gona final loko ha go batliwa who's the winner ha gona the winner o kile bona
There's always
ntate
confusion.
pitso na rata gore ntlo engwe lengwa go bosabelo na le players card ya ntho ya SAFA
SAFA.
because ke di team tse dintsi
Tse ngata fela.
ha ke lwana le wena ke tsaya dikaushu le ntho di magukwe kusia ka khala ke lo go bula Motive Media FC o kile bona
Cool.
so kana go ne go na le competition
Yeah. Now the ntse re eme mo tabeng ya ya bolo cause ntwe ya bolo I personally feel hore it's a hole and it's still there just that to solo okro go no solo pro ontsalo mnati
ke monate
and you know what's the funny part ka chief ntate chief o batla ba bapala le nna ne and ha batle re bapala ka same team o batla ba opponent just for ampitse shibobo cha ha batle ntho tse ngata
Chibobe ga ke tsabe ke tswa
o batla njesa ka team
ha ke wena o rata bo manyambela so ke batlela Chibobe ke tswa mo kwena.
Tell me that the chief I've seen pictures where you are with German professional retired soccer star ba petse ko Chelsea ba petse ko Bayern Munich if ke sa force Michael Ballack.
Sure. Maboko ta bua ka football 10 enere how we eat ono kera Spain because of football how no le athletic ono kera Spain because ba eat ko ke correctional service gore after o tswe go sheba di ba ba tshwerweng o lo go beya department ko kae kae.
Okay.
So now lucky ke ka the age of 19 ke ha ile gore no ha ntse re le ko lereko batho ba HR ba Sportnet ba ya ko sekolong mara ba fihla late sense re feditse go ngola.
Okay.
So I was like gore ne ke le teng mo sekolong mo go tse yang ko library
Yeah.
ntate ke ntse ke mo gopola ntate teng le ntate Molifi.
Okay.
Ntate Molifi ya ba re tlatsitse di form gore no go na di span tse tsa go Sportnet ko finance
Ntate Molifi tswa Sportnet.
ya
Okay.
o na le ko HR gelo be re tlatsa di form ke December ke
Yeah.
ke November December January ha di results di tswa ka di body 6 7 8 9
Earlier.
ka di 31 ka ke lo span
Your first job.
ya my first job so ha ka tshwana le bag so ile go go dutse 7 years after matric
After matric.
ya ka feel pain ya
Yeah.
ka bua ma
Yeah.
that was like ya gore di dutse be ke nyana tse pedi tse tharo be ke lo spana ko Sportnet
Cool.
and like I'm the first black person wa go spana ko Sportnet
Sportnet. Wow.
no ntse go na le makhalati mara makhalati ba ntse ba sa regard you is black wa ba ba ntse ba regard you racing
Race e
and then na ke tla go no ko ena the first
Wow.
black person no ba re ka ko finance
Cool.
mo PlayStation for 6 months ne ke ra filing ke botsa go mara why nna ke tshwantse ke re filing a tse ba nthuta go ke itse gore ha go batliwa invoice ya 227 ke kra ko kae
Okay.
ke ne ke tsama ka briefcase because makgwa bana ba tsama ka briefcase
Yeah.
go sna ne se ka rene le penenyana le eng scafting
Yeah.
so
Yeah.
you adapt gore oh ba tsena ka eng ba tsama ka eng oh ke
Okay.
tsama ka spraynyana sa swankinyana o kile bona
Sure.
but no go le monate ha ke tla ko Sportnet no go na le di club tse 2
Okay.
no go na le club ya ka mo Polar Park
Okay.
go na le club ya go teng ke Schoeman Park
Okay.
ga ke madaki ke boxing ke morabagaba ke eng kwa ke bo golf bo
Okay.
darts bo pool
Yeah.
but e be le gore no re tshwanetse re kopanye di club tse pedi tse because apart di kana go tse go edila no
Okay.
and then ha ke le lucky ka ke tsinywa mo committee e trying to transform the two clubs
Ke selemo se feng se?
1994
Okay.
but maboko no go se easy because makgwa ba itse go no ba ba tsama ka manto it means re tlo go shera le bone eng transport ba le ka railway ha gona di light it means re tlo go shera Schoeman Park di light le bone di dressing room di eng wa ba ke be kopana le me mong ke mentor ka even today le bitla re ke Ocean me re kwa ga street ne le go bona gore di two clubs ya kopana
Okay.
ne ke le monyane ke le 20
Cool.
ne ha o tla go Transnet o tshwanetse o apply le ntlo yo go sena tšhelete no go thino o nna mo waiting listing
Okay.
ha o itla go the o motho wa bo 2300 mo listing o kana grant after 10 years but ha go the pilisi ya motho o montsho ke lekgowa ka ke ya le lekgowa da
Okay.
ka ke jump line because of ke buelwa ke lekgowa
How lo apply?
ha ke lo apply
Okay.
ibile go bo go thumo go mo aba botsa ntate ke le bala ke ntate maketla mo gopolo ne re ntate ha rapela go kerekeng go fugada ha go thumo go tia re kopa batho ba bedi ba rapela ha ntate wa ka rapela kereke ya starta gape now ka ntate Mofokeng ntate Mofokeng a re no go la le ntlo go Blumanda
Okay.
e available o kopa re le go sheba ha re tla go bule ke tsama le mosadi wa le go ha re tla go Blumanda ba gana re sheba ntlo ke rekile ntlo eo ke le kantle because me wa teng o na re
How I
ha
view annex? How I view
a ke itse go na go na le toilet kapa go na le
ya flash and next.
a ke itse next me ka gana o the following day ka re ya go Transnet housing re body e sharp ellen kwatene le 68000 kana go ye
Okay.
ha ke tshwara 21 ka ke ra party ibile ke bula le ntlo ka age ya 21
Okay.
yeah so ke phetse maboko ska ba ntella
Yeah, yeah. Scan tima story sa Michael Ballack.
ke atla mo Michael Ballack
Okay.
le Transnet ne na le bo national teams
Okay.
tse di tshamekang le the railway companies tsa di country
Tsa
tse ding.
country tse ding.
Still ka age ya 2021 ke le captain ya soccer
Okay.
ne ne re tla be re tsenetse bo di tournament ha hore re kopana le bo Iwi Kambule ba tshameka ko prison re tshameka le bona ka Transnet re tshameka le bo di squad
Yeah.
mo Free State no gona le batho tshwana le bo Wiwi tla re ba ja 5 noto ile go mo moshong ba re bona ntse re nwa makamtela na
Banana la tlile.
late tla re ba betsa bo 5
Eh.
bo teammate ya ka ene ile coach Gavin Johnson
Okay.
ona coach abo ke assistant coach wa ka Pitso Mosimane
Polo rona ba bang ha re ba tsebe o ntse ba
monna ke
mention.
mathata yo
Re ma
So
2000.
I was also like ya gore no coach Farouk Khan
Yeah,
a
yeah.
coach
Yeah, ke a mo tseba.
a coach dintho mo team ya rona ne re na le batho tshwana le bo Tshepo o itse ke mo mention ne Tshepo Phatlane na le Tshepo ne re le ba left ha ke sa batho go dlala Tshepo tla
O
dlala
tla tla.
but Tshepo ha batla go dlala ha ne go dlala because ke nna ke tsenya scheme
Yeah,
ya
yeah.
bona but football kana go eno go le monate
That's
man.
fine.
o kile bona ya o bile ka Michael Ballack o na tshaketse South Africa go Gauteng ha ntse ke spana ko Nike
Ka team ka paliwan.
no o na kile because ke ambassador ya another organization it's
At
like
that time.
UNICEF
Yeah.
yeah
I get you. At that time.
that time yeah so na kile le ku ya gagwe ya TV
Ya
ya go Germany ha o ka gogola o ka nna mpona mo ke mo betsang Chibo mo teng so ba nkitse shapo da go ntse so nna go ne ke spana go teng le re ya go dikolong re ruta bana ba go ba se ba kometsana the danger ya go kometsana ile bana
Cool.
but bana ba itse ge when coming to soccer ke nne ke tshemekileng football so ha ta ka le go ke nna ke organizer ge the toya ga ga le connect center ge go nne monate
At the age of 22.
ne since ke le o tatanyana no le gona le picture postile mo mana mpusha mo teng mo
Yeah.
ke mo le ke tsang mo go bitsa
Spy 2.
Spaytunyane like mo no welcome to South Africa
How was the feeling?
it was good because it tlhagile le go camereng ya ga tsa ga tsa go Germany
And then what do you say to yourself at this age when you look or when you think of those moments? Meeting Michael Ballack, working le bo Ntate Molemela, and all these legends, people that we regard as legends in this country.
I'm always humbled until Untena. And if Untena ke ka tenega ke motho le nna.
Yeah.
But I'm always humbled. Ke o direla example. Ntate no go sena motho o na mo khathalla after re kise club.
Okay.
And then I felt no o deserve gore lebitso la gagwe le ska le kitlela
Keep on going. Yeah.
le shwa. Beke ya go ene ke tla ke re maka ntate ke kopa go direla molemela day.
Okay.
This year tabele jaka ya bonai. Hayo ba tra continue ka legacy.
Still doing that. Yeah.
Gona le ba ene le gore go bo footballong ba khona le molemela tournament. Ha sa liyo today because ntata sa liyo aba sa khona motlhomo go benefit if ba use le bitso.
Yeah.
But Rona is not about go benefit. It's
Yeah.
about go thusa bana ba kira uniform, bana ba kira di bazari. Kana tshuma ke mang?
Kawela.
Bona ngwana unto girlfriend ta khawele kwa leng go teng today.
Yeah.
O kile bona.
Yeah.
If ne re sa intervene ka uniform ka ba ntse ga nna ke sa go
Actually,
school.
the boss game.
Why
You
why?
feel different
Yeah,
outside.
yeah.
You know, but before we come to these things, Zabo, the charity, all that you are doing for the community, I want us to get into details. You making moves at an early age 22, in fact age 19, 20, your first job. You're getting
21
paid.
ke reka ntlo.
And I don't know, but please correct me if I'm wrong. Onosoka obali body mentors at that time, and you don't know how to spend money, save money, like, cause you were saving body $100, $500, but now you are exposed to the thousands. You are getting paid and good. You buying your first house. Was that a good decision to make?
It was considering ya ka ke ne ke bule gore o tshwantse ne mo waiting list. So ne ke sa itse nna gore ke tlo ema nako kae. What if ke ema malume a kona spana Transnet ha so ka reka ntlo
Yeah, you
because of that waiting list. So nna ke bone opportunity to say a go the reka ntlo be ke reka ntlo.
So it was a good decision
It was a
for you.
good decision.
Cool. And then you're getting paid well. At the peak of your life, I want to go to the interesting part by the society. What is the biggest check o kileng wa ifumana? Or this was the good check in kileng ga ifumana ever since ke sebetsa any company. So kileng wa
So ha ke
sebetsa
sa
kaofela.
gopola mabokoto yo because ne ke itse gore ha re April ne re kra bonus. So ka mantswa ma ke ya double salary.
Double salary.
Ya bona. Ke gopola hantse ke nyetse ke gopola ke tsaya my bonus ke tsa bonus sa mosadi wa ka ke bitsa the class of 96 bo Dr. Kumalo, you name them.
Yeah.
Atamo Blomo batlo go semeka le the Free State Masters ka my own money le tšhelete mosadi wa ka batho mo Blom ba tla dumela go thwe mama o itile
Yeah.
Tupac on a little Tupac of it, the yo. But I'm proud to say, Kitlicite the class of 96.
Cool.
Moblom.
Moblo.
In Costile Chelet, in Costile the relationship Kamunklum. But
Yeah,
how
no
on a side
regrets.
did Mabokot? Came out a
Yeah.
because I keep working, but I very nix. But it's about to my leader. Motho ha ile le councilor ke re mitsa my leader ha tswa ko bonthong re boela gape kwa le re mitsa Motaung re mitsa Bucks mara ha ile councilor ha tsena ka ema mo stulong my leader tloho leadership
Yeah.
babo
Sure.
but ke di hard grape because of lentswe la leadership if
position.
MECA a tsena mo selong re taboga le ha tswa go tsena o mongwe
We forget about
MECD re sentse re taboga ga magaga o kila bona makhalati ba yang ha o ka wina o monotsi a wina di Olympic ha la botle ke di khazi So le rona re le ka mo bana ba kasi re bolaya ke ntho eo. Leadership ebe re sentse ba bitsa le mabitso ke sile ke batho
kore we in simple words ha re hlomphe motho because of botho re hlompha motho because of the position or whatever they have.
Yes, because re nagana gore no ke ena ka re bulelang dikgogo ke diphendile mo go ena ha o sa mmitse chief ya o sa mmitse leadership ha o mo hlomphe.
Yeah.
Ba ba
So Ntate Chief ha ke bietsa dipatlisiso tsaka you've had 1 million rand in your bank account.
yo maboko don't expose ano maboko disband
Wait, Ntate Chief. Like, I want my people or whoever is watching this podcast to understand this. We're not talking 1 million viewers or 1 million friends or 1 million as a number. We're talking money, rent. Take me through that, Grotmani. Tell me about this huge amount of money. Because to me, even today, Laukampa million rand, but bari it's nothing. But to me, if you can give me 1 million rand, I think my life is going to change.
yeah
Yeah.
lense ke spane sure I think 14-15 years go Transnet.
Okay.
Remember kitse ke ne ke na le ntlo mo
More Blue Monday.
Yes. Be ke a Joburg ke be ke tla ke reka ntlo ko Joburg
Okay.
ke ntse ke na le ntlo.
O tsamaya ka mosebetsi still.
Yeah.
Cool.
So ha ntse ke ya go up and down ke ntse ke rekisa my properties. Ke ntse ke beya
At this moment, you have a car.
yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Ke dula Joburg ke na le family. Ke rekisa ntlo and then ke na le ntlo gape ko Joburg.
Okay.
Then ha ke move gape from Joburg ke ya ko ntlong e nngwe ke ra profit.
Okay.
Ke a kwala.
Cool.
Sinning dira di corporate games ntse ke spana so I make money.
Okay.
Ke a kwala.
Cool.
Ne ntse ke le out o di shebile. Si hayo tse ding ha ke no kgona go di bua di kana ka nkisa ko go fle go ne ke ra tšhelete ya but a sa le ntse ke le slim
Kana ke mama maponesa ba tshwarang bo MEC bo prim.
no bata re no
Ba tsala morao di hawks.
yeah but ntse ke rekisa my properties
Yeah.
go pola ntlwele ke rekile ka 68,000 and I tla go Joburg my first house ne le bo 201,000.
Cool.
So ha ke tla ke kra go magu ga tšhelete ka property ha ka rekisa 68,000 rekise ke so ka tšhelete nyana e
Yeah,
monate
cause
nyana.
ba ga ntlo yona ya gola ke ra. Yeah.
Yeah because I had to ha ke tsama be ke sile o lady
Yeah.
ene me ke bela o
Ko
lady
tlung ya
go
hao.
no magano o lady ha ke kgone go patala ka mo ha ke kgone go patala Joburg ke kopa o bole ko hae because o lady basically ana le nna ko Bumanda motlangana ntšhaketse ka go na le ngwana o tsenke pontsho wa le bonso ka o lady a re next
Ke girlfriend.
a ona dilo ntlong ya bo 150
Okay.
o lady ka fila gore peke ne no tlo irang mangena foma
Panso.
a tlo go dula le nna na
Yeah.
yeah
Okay. Now, Ntate Chief, you're working hard. Surely, as motongkang handle, when you make money, you decide to venture into some businesses. Did you come to that point, Melong, where you're saying, "Ke batla ho start a business eating on the side while I'm working"?
yes but ke berekile nako tele mo ene le gore go tla go bua ka transformation
Okay.
o tla be go tseno but re na le bo ntate ba ba ngata ko managementeng
Okay.
re batla bo mme gore le bone ba utlwe monatong
Mesmerize.
and then re how create post wa ngodiwa ja go no we are looking for motho wa mme
Female.
re batla motho o
Age group, itseng,
how
and
you
all
check
that.
wena ko morago ga motswa o thutsisile
Yeah.
so the only thing e rona re dirang le batjha o re le madaki ka gore o bona mang a ira selo o bo re ai ka re ya popa man
I want you to get that. I want you to get that.
ka re ya popa
Repeat it again, Tata Chief.
bona re bona dilo ka matlo re be re nagana gore that person o ira tšhelete
Through that.
o bo sa iri research o bo sa mmotse ge mone di-challenge tsa ntho e keng to direla example after lockdown everybody na ira this live streaming a computer le bo channel o a computer le bo metro FM ba kae no ha ba sa le because it was le gona ga zama re batla go bona ga we got the YouTube mama maybe I don't know maybe how no starter ka le ntho o bone den ya ga maeza go register batho ba 1 million
Yeah.
so lwena you hoping gore
Tla fitlela
o batla
that
1 million ka chief
Yeah.
and how you can go 1 million ka video ya ka ke batla card
Yeah.
but ba yalo
Cool. That's true.
now le nna ne ke dula Kempton Park ne
Okay.
go ne go na le old fashioned fish and chips
Okay.
o
That
Kempton
side.
Park yeah
Cool.
so every time ha ke lo go reka grocer kapa ke lo reka eng go Pick n Pay go tletse da
Okay.
but ke nna interested gore mara chips ya mo dintsi wa bona
Okay.
okay mara daddy ni ha yo ko blom always negative when secret
Ko
daddy ni ha yo ko blom so I can be the first person wa go ira old fashioned chips fish and chips
Okay.
go blom
Cool.
okay ke be ke kopa quotation ge ko transnet go ba fetho ke kopa le nchekele go if it's ama today
Ke popa ba.
ke popa bokae
Cool.
se se mabokoto ha itla ka ina di zero nyana tsele tse wa di bona
Tse tlhakatlhakang sanhlo.
ga ke sa kgone le go di bala ka re ke nna ntate Zulu
Yeah. I was about to say that.
now o bona motho o le gore o successful because of line but wena ha o ya o itse ona wa kra ka oil ha o itse o kra ka ditapole ha o itse wa bona sharp the franchise o yena ha ke bua le nna no sharp but ene o batla bokae o batla 500,000 ya franchise ha kgathalle gore na o ya ko blomo o kae
Anywhere.
sa se batlangele keng 500,000 o reke franchise o be monate
Cool.
and o tla o bolela gore ke tla o support-a ke tla be ke le teng ya nyanyanya 500,000 gone o reka this business
Ha o so qale nix.
ha o so start nix ha o so ka batla le venue kapa shop kapa eng so shop ka ne tshwantse be le ko Rockland ko Shoprite ka batho ba mo Bloom Plaza ba re no man mo Bloom Plaza mo rena le Wimpy
Okay.
and Wimpy ha ina challenge
Okay.
and Peter ke monga Wimpy ne le Peter and Peter ne le motho wa kereke and a fila gore ne nne mo tshwantse a pensioneng
Okay.
and ha ya pensioneng o tlo rekisa everything ya ga ke ba tshwana le tumelo ya gore no wa bona go Bloom Plaza but shop ya go tla nna available nne now
Sure.
trying to know o patale rent ka mo le ke gona tlo go tlang ga morago 6 months motlhomong go tlo go tsenya eng wa patala
Ha o so qale o operate.
ha o so start operate
Jeez.
because o kry-a ntho e four o tshwanetse tsenye kana ke na ding e tsamaisang moya ko godimo gore e tswe mo tlase e ko godimo wa patala gape
di-costs.
mo patala 21,000 o tshwanetse o kry-e o ntshe tile o tsenye eng wa patala gape
Disego tse leng tse di
ntse
fokotseng.
di fokotsega banyana ba ira eng ba itatlhela
O tsamaya ka koloi e feng?
ka e tsamaya ka BM ba
No.
itatlhela banyana ba bona o butiwa di-skela ke
Ha o sa sebetsa.
yaanong ke tsamaya ka checkbook e kana ya Nedbank ke monna ke nna o utlwa
Sure.
skele ya ka pu ke tsamaela ke ya hela go tla ke bula go shopong kwale go sena nix ke fila go ngama
O lo check-a fe.
ra ke tlo popa
And ha o tlo le mo.
mo ke tlo popa ke fokotsega maboko tantse ke dula go Joburg ke sa tshabe go tla mo garden ke tla mo garden ke tla mo garden
During the week.
during the week la bogago ke dropa mosadi ko Spaneng ko Jamestown ke be ke tablong go grufe ha re bo 1-2 ke boela Joburg ha chisa ka 7 ke teng mo ke tlo monate go le monate ke ga nngwa wa swipe ha o petrol kop o tla ga o na le shelter ke wa believe after ke tlo popa man
Yeah.
but it was a good lesson.
So, tjhelete e fokotseile before. I want you to take me through that. Before or operate for about 3 months, 6 months.
For 6 months.
Okay. Let's say, for argument's sake, you lost about 200,000. And then Shopo ukgonne o e bula at the end of the day.
Yeah, but now how bula Shopo learn how we bula e batla le stock.
Yeah.
Now how batla le stock go tshwe re rekisa juice ya ga Josi.
Ha re rekise branded tse ding.
So Josi ene o bolela gore nna ha ke tla Blom ke tla ka trakanyana 12 thang mamang o tshwantse o reke hope ya juice Russian ha o reke Russian ko ikhono o e reka ko Josi ditapole di reka ko marakeng but today if ditapole le 24 rand ha pula kana ka mosho ke 35 rand.
Jeez. There's nothing you can
Ha
do.
o kgone go ngotla ditapole ha o kgone go ira eng ha go tshi petrol ya tlhatlhoga oil ko 3 cent no ikrile ka 400 and mamang o kana ka 700 rand.
And those are external factors that affect the business.
But ha ona plus wena kapa o modaki ya no go lokisita le pitpompisi ko Petersburg.
Yeah.
Re mona ke batla ditapole ha re negotiate.
Yeah.
Next. So ntwe ya bo recession ya starta mo South Africa. It's ene ile gona ko pele. Ha trapa e re trapa pap.
Blind.
Pap. So ke ne ke na le be ke rekisa BM be ke reka bag.
What is the purpose of selling the PM?
Ine le reka bag because neng ke tsama ke ya ka one ko marakeng.
Okay.
To say but if ke patala ntate Malebo twice a day go ya kwa shelter ke
Compared to
calculate
petrol.
Wa bona?
Yeah.
So ke ipatlile baki be ke batla baki athima ke kana ko business ya nong e struggle o na le business o na le flat o na le koloi
You already sold the house Eco Gauteng.
ke sense ke rekisitse
Blumanda.
ene ga go pela kana go tsene ke rekisa ntwa go Blumanda sense ke divorce le mosadi
Okay.
so ke ntwa ya gore ke batla khaba tsa khaba yuane ke batla eng wa bona ga share
Yeah.
so ha we share ya lo ntlo o batle tsamaye ha o rekisile ka profit so o molomong o tsa whatever sa yang o molomong o
Ke tla qala fatshe.
ya go sa twa fatshe ba tla ke ga nong o proud o wa
Ke na le 1 2 3. Yeah.
pela fra ke lo popa nna ke na le zaka
Yeah.
o ntsa wa itse bile ke rata bitsa wa
I know you.
yeah
Cool.
yeah but it was painful because le absa ba mfounela ka ke fila go la ntloela le mfounela every day ka ke tsa kole ke busa kwa
How many cars do you have at this moment?
take driving ke show more than 5
No, when you how rekisa BM or reka van?
ke one ne ke ne le
Ke yona
ve
fe.
yeah
And then after that o rekile koloi
ke
engwe.
rekile koloi ba re cycle ke na le business
Okay,
big
okay.
tla ke nwa ka 1000 rand
Yeah, Rod man. How do you sell a car for 1,000 rand?
okay le one ne le BM
Yeah.
so e be
BMW.
yeah e be ka e senyega ka clash
Sure.
ne then how re ka class kit go tshwantse re ke eng so motho tshwantse ba e dira a ba ka a tsanako
Yeah.
ne koloi ha sana computer box go setse bojo
It is yena koloi.
kontlo
Why?
ya ka ke fila gae soka ka itsamisa motho ka nne 1,000 rand re no ke tla ne go ne ka di tweki ka sale le
God.
1,000 rand le no ya le tsang gold
So Answer re le mo pointing ya dikoloi. Tell me about the day you returned the car ya go ups.
Ka e tlhatswa, ka isa car wash, ya nna monate, ka
What
tsenya le
happened?
CD ya gospel ka e isa.
What led you to
Ba
return
ke ba
the
phone every day. Ba phone every day. Ka tenere ke ngwana mme o mon le nna. So motho na mphone le auto go teng ko bas. Ha ke tla ko absa ke re no ke kopa ko bas.
Is this the reason why o rata go bitsa batho bo Kubas? So
Ba re ke like ya bo ko bas. So ko bas re no ke nna ke ra Kotmane ke tlise ko le ya gago. E ka mo ntle kike. No, but you can talk to the chief le nwe. Ka ke tsama. Tot today.
just like I got
Just like
phone.
that. And tot today.
But what was the funny part? This is not funny, but because of how you always tell me about these things. The funny part is when these people, like now, you're organizing events. When you have an event on a weekend, let's say on Friday or Saturday, on Monday you're getting calls. It's the same people. How do they get? Hore, you had something. You said it's
I kere ba bang ba follower ke famous. So ba bola go postile Miss Mama, wa bo.
Yeah.
Ba re tla.
Boo.
Oh, ba bang ba bona di newspaper. No, a bona ke sa tlhaga go selo. O ka pa ka tlhaga ba nna ke sa batla go tlhaga. Because ha ke tlhaga ba popile. Abo.
You know that you, as a young person, I'm laughing, ne? But I'm learning so much from your life. I think even if Funkajadi Poso sometime in the future, there are things I won't do because I've learned from you, from the Ntoto Dienseng. And I think each and every single week in, week out, you say something, even though we joking around, you say something that grabs my mind and say, why would he say this? And then, now, how many kids do you have?
Ke na le 3 boys, 3 girls.
Okay.
Ne? 3 boys, 3 girls, ne? Ele ke tlola ke joke ke gate be bana ba ka ba le bentsi ka teng ke show every Father's Day. Go tlhaga ngwana go tse chief, go na le ngwana kae. Yeah, but hopefully ke ba di last.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So that girl kana ke mang? A hlola atla mo. Ana tlile le mme wa ikopane le mme wa ka ntle? No. Before the
Unthatile.
show. Unthatile.
Eh.
Ke firstborn.
Ke firstborn.
Okay.
Eh.
And then ke bana ba different mothers.
Ba babedi.
Okay.
And then ba khona le ba bang ba babedi be khona le Sibongile. Sibongile ene ke a special case because ene ke ma adoptile.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wow. We'll get to that Sbongile part in a minute. Tell me, Dr. Chief. Hori Obeli, I'm asking from a perspective of a man, a growing man, to a man who's been through things, who's done things. Hori Obeli banali different mothers. Was it because you had 1, 2, 3? Or was it in you? That is, whether I have 1, 2, 3 or not, kichincha bana machiri, or I have kimaboko tekita malbosbu bobatukada. So these women are here, and then when we go to bed, kina ignorant. Why unale bana ba bangata with different?
Akina bana ba bangata ke na le bana ne.
Okay.
Zuma calculator.
Yeah.
But I think ke dipuo tse re di buang.
Okay.
Ke tlo direla example. Ke nyetse mosadi wa ka wa we gore ke na le affair. Ne? Ka lwana kutu ba phone kutu. Ya hela ndo.
Yeah.
Sinene ngompona le ngwanyana o mongwe.
Yeah.
Khona le ntwa ya hela.
Yeah.
But nna ke mo kreya ana le monna o mongwe
Yeah.
ka mo divorce. Because re khola re nna ke jelwe.
Yeah.
Bawa?
Yeah.
So it means how le outi how do really nonsense. we expecta wena mosadi wa gago a o reng a o tshwarela
I'll try.
but wena o kgone go mo tshwarela for that moment you lose ntho tse ngata o lose dikoloi o lose ntlo o lose
Yeah.
ne ha ke re ka regreta gore why ke divorceane le mosadi but ke godile go understanda gore mara I was wrong yena o ntshwaretse ga 7 but nna
Stupid mistake, one mistake I couldn't
because
hear.
re gotse re ntse go ukwa nna ke jello go na le ntho e rona re le majita re reng re golang ka yone re reng ngwana o fit that wait e tla gore o ire bana ba bantsi because ha o na le ngwanyana o tlo ipellang ha ngwana o fit ngwano ebile ha ile gore motlhomo ha o utlwa monate ha o kgone le go boela mo rona ba fitness ke re ngwana o fiti ha wa ntlhaloganya
Yeah.
but ha o bona skete se ita gore ngwana o fiti yang ha o jwele lele o na le aim ya gore o batla lelapa kapa o batlang ebile rona ga nyala rona ga jola mare ha ona vision ya gore la go kae le motho wa gago ha ka ba mpotsa rona mare chief wena le mosadi wa gago ne le na le vision no ne re sena vision ne le taba gore re tsile blomo re tsula Gauteng ke file ka re ke ntate le ene file ka re ke mme ke gopola re ya ko marriage counseling this guy a botsa gona mme monna ga go rata wish advert I don't know ene kana go tsena le TV tse 18 ka montlong a ba botsa gore monna mosadi wa go rata wish advert I don't know a ba bua gore ka mantswa le since 8 years to 9 years
Ya maphelo a lona individual.
because how many times la nka ba ka mokhomong le banyana ba ke jotseng le bone ba bang after le before la nka re my best mark e ko kae ka ba yitse le nna ke no gore e ko ya ga mang e ko kae nka gopola birthday
Yeah.
ya bona mara dinyana tse di gore mara motho ke go ba lene everyday re tlhapa everyday mara ke itse best mark ga kweleng ko teng ya itse na le operation mara tse dintse ke di
I get it. So, I don't know. I think I've heard you saying I get if losing is the correct word to use. Losing that business, old fish and chips. Was it because of someone or?
not Lena, I blame myself.
Okay.
Nentse ke na le ko businessing, but nentse ke na le lerato la football.
Okay.
And then I'll put my girlfriend ko shopong, nna ke ne ke re dilo tsa football ko MUCCP.
So at this time when you're having a fish and chips and you are busy ka bolo ka here, how's that sebetsa, right? And also divorced couple this
Yeah,
is before.
re divorced le mosadi.
Was it
While
because
ne le
of this girlfriend?
Huh?
Was it because the divorce? Was it because of?
Ke buile ka hore monna ka kreya gore mosadi wa jola o na le ntwe la gore ha ke jelwe. Wa bona? But ke gone ke realizang ka moga dinakonyana gore maka till ya ka ko fish and chips o no khona go ntsha da dinye ko report but ha o tla wena ka 5 o tlo go batla report le tsatsi leo ha e go bolelle gore go tswile 2000 rand tla I'm not saying my girlfriend to na yalo but the way re tlogelaneng ka teng
Yeah.
impontshela gore maka le ene o nantse ga bokiriki ke gopola re tswile re le quarter front ke tshwere tšhelete kana ka bo 8000 e le ka mokoloing
Okay.
aba ka di masnotlola ga chief ka di masnotlola ka go koloing ha re tlo go tsamaya ha e sa leyo koloi ya thubiwa e ntse no tletse
Chelete kaofela.
ya so motlhomong o irileng o ile go koloing e khaetsa a tsenya ko ATM-eng a deposit ke mangetseng.
So, in your case, I don't know. It was the matter of being ignorant to most of the
Re
things.
jola ngwanyana because wa heta mo le re o fiti o smart o ya nyanyanya but how really
Botho ke
bo
lo-
yena you don't even know
Know
motho
this
o na o
person.
yang.
Yeah.
My current girlfriend ke itsusile ha tse shit wa ntlhaloganya
Yeah.
o monyane but I know gore shit ha tse shit wa rapela o na le compassion o hands on and o better than batho ba kileng kana le bona
Some of them.
ya ala botle
Okay.
ne bo gona no gona le o mong gape ne ke jwela le ene go thing ke Vicky ne
Baro chama ngwana.
ha ke mo tshami ka next one o le gola le ngwana go thing ke Vicky ne ke jwela le ene ge
Okay.
le ene o na le moderate level ya gore no ha ke la le ene ka itse go no ke monate
Yeah, cool.
wa bona it's just a one no ke current
Yeah.
but I know gore so the lady o sele not go sa wa bona mara tse shit ha o no go bua no so ka nna a le teng
And this is one of the things you love about her,
yes
I think.
wa bona ke mosadi hele ya ka mang le mang
But by far, let's say una le di ex tse 20.
no
Tse 20.
no man for
girlfriend.
for the sake of today have 5
Okay, it's a 5. I get to be if this 5 includes batswadi ba your kids, ne? Sharp. What have you learned about a woman so far?
re creator motho wa mme o rona re mmatlang
Okay.
ha o tla ko ntlong o bea phone so you create the monster wena o mmatlang gore nne monster
Okay.
ha o na le di code di eng you create that monster but if you feel free gore ha mosedi wa mabaka ka di ma phone ke batla phone ya box wa monea ha ile mo ha ile wa itse go no la ka ya araba
I've got nothing
O
to
sharp.
hide.
as long as mosadi ali happy o tlo nna the happiest man but ha o ka moha a sign ya gore o busy le bonompa ka ko strateng rest assured le ene sambodi tla mmontsha gore o le montle yana
And be ka go ka ikhanga ka lento ka le rapolasi.
ene rona go pula ke re pelo e uka pelo go ha o ka go founa ha o sa nagana ka load shedding gore shemet phone di anyang so nagana
Ah,
go
charger
patile wa bona
Wa tseba ke chaisa no.
yeah so re motho wa mme o ikreitela ene
Cool.
ya bona no I'm ke sharp ke happy
Yeah.
a gona ngwanya no mo tlatlaga mo ba re o jola le nna chiva ke sharp go ke leng go teng
So already or moruti a ka botsa that question.
ya I bine o tla ba senya nako mo guti man sa reng ela re nya le mo wai
Sure, that chief.
ya and engwe gape ke a gore e ka go zolla batho ne because o batla go zola le Pinky batho ba tlo reng
Oh.
wa bona
Yeah.
what if Pinky o kopane le ene o mo etsi selo sound batho ba tlo re no magane mabokoto o kometsa stock
Yeah.
ha gona stock pa
Ha gona stock.
o ntate pitšwa go tlabola ke tlalo ntse re o tlo re eng wa tlhaloganya
Yeah, that's true.
I don't know gore karabo le monna ga ba kopane go kae ba bona motlho ba kopane teng go di gontsha go generations ba re baby wala wa bona but anong ha ile go ga nna le gore ka bona ke re mara mong kana ka tsena ke tshwanetse ke tlo ba ya ka
Mabokoto.
ka mabokoto tlo re yo
Yeah.
ya bona
And
re batla go phelela batho ha re phelele rona
And that is one of the things that's on many things. Riske ga di achiever, not to women alone. I love it how we work batho ba bomme because when most of the time ha re bua dintho and we involve women, batho ba bontate ha ba di lebale because there's a woman involved. But bo ditoro tsa rona, you want to do something and then the first thing that pops up in your mind is batho ba tlo reng.
o kila bona o kila utlwa re reng no tlo ke hetse pele ke re diploma and degree le wena dira dilo tsa gago ka mole ka mantswe a mang ha o part ya ya diploma ha o phatha di-masters because ke batla go itirela di-masters le diploma tseo ke le monosi whilst I'm involving a o kaede gore monna o ne batla go bula saloon ka tlo ya ko saloonong ha re ye ko kae but wena o mabokoto kapo chief ya ipella ga a baby ke tsa ka tse tsa ga ke tse re tla ne re di bona so you come on to you create your own success ne le ene I create le success mara go na mo le tla kopana mo teng
it's going to be a problem. Ndate Chief, the question I've always wanted to ask you is, with you from Kodladling on Wigetsanyo Koshapo, as much as already laying Hono, Banebahona of our 1, 2, 3, on Wigetsa, Gao Seifa, selling and what, and then you get your first job and then you make money, and I'd like to say you've made a lot of money, you've had money. What, and you start living Bopilobo different from when you had not nothing, but when you didn't have as much as you have now, right? What are the habits, Tsemoto, are the tolerance starting once you become what you were not before? Ke di habits tse feng tse leng gore o so ba le tsona ha o so ba le ntho tse o no sena tsona before?
o itse Ralfo mo bane mo office o itseng o itse if ke jola le bang but ke na le nyatsi e bitswang Pinky my friends ba rata Pinky go eta le bang or motlhomo le bang ke trophy wife ya ba mitsi ba tlo go qena ba mpha ngondo ya gore Pinky ke makoya o le ke madilwa ke maditoulo
Ke ghost lady.
so o nna le habit ya gore ko ntlo man ha sale wa bona ha ke tsamaya leo tso gwa votha go wa
Ke
bona
CEO.
e nngwe gape ke ngwana mo blomo ya Joburg ha ke bua go Joburg ke batla batho ba mpone mo blomo gore a tla le nyele papa action o teng wa bona ke gopolane ke tsamaya ko garden if ke sena tšhelete e le la boraro ke gola ka moso ka itse mos ka gola ha re 12 o'clock ka gola ke bua le sebiela ke re monna ke na le tšhelete mara go tsena ka 12 ya tsena no dira tafolentšho ha re 12 o'clock ke ntsha karete ka patala wa bona o batla go boniwa gore I'm better than mabokoto, I'm better than mama ane mara le bona ba go khalemile estomantse banwa
You're the boss.
ba le bo ja bopuda tla le fere ne ke tloga mo ke ya Durban ke lo kry-a bana ngabo so we are the habit nyana tse di yalo wa di adopta ma go batla go boniwa gore no le wena
You're the man.
o fitile in
So, would you say, Bongata, is this from side ya Buntate, Kappa both, but Wabo Mil Buntate?
a bo mme bona ba kgathalle e bene gona re like yana ka nako tsa gona ne go sena bo di WhatsApp ne go sena bo di Brazilian ne go sena ne patla brutal fruit di ding lona ke nna le wetseng lona
Blind.
blind le na le masepeng
Krotman, on a Instagram.
ke na lona
O gila ke ena kada.
nna ke tsenya nnepenyana tsa ka tse di yanyang batho ba le ba tsenya nnepe tsa di photo shoot
Wa hlodisa kada o go go check.
a ke la bo ke tsaba ke tlhodisa nyana le nna
So wa bona the danger le mo yona.
le na le wetse lena
Yeah, ne.
gona go edile ka gona monate o go utlwile monate wa go thusa ka next mabokoto
Yeah.
wa bona if nka boela gape ke nna 20 years well let it be but ke godile no ne I think the most second half ya life ya and if ile gore ke ntse ke batla go ga dilo tse le tsene ke di gane ke le monyane
Ke matha.
my legacy e tla ga ke itliwa ka Saterdag ka Monday go tla be go sena motho itseng go kana ke Manta Chief
Yeah. Ndate Chief, we invited you today, not only to look. This is not, I blew it, where we're going to be talking about the bad decisions you've made in life. But this is take me through your journey. You're going to take us through everything that you've been through in life, whether it's good or bad. And so far, ntse re bua ka dintho tse leng hore you are not so proud of the ending tsa teng, bongata ba tsona. But we invited you here to celebrate you, to appreciate you, not the things you've done or the things you've been through. Now, we go into this point, Melunga. This leads me to my question here, hore. You just mentioned, Tore, this is somehow a second part of your life where you meeting Bo Mecholo, all these people, Bo Oshchinet from Pick and Pay, all these people that you are working with at this moment, and different projects, the activities you're involved in. What are you learning from these people, and what are you teaching these people? From Bana, from Wanawa, 6 years, I can say, Bana Badi patient, that's how. From 6 years to Bonghono, the Bondate Molo, Becky Dulanke Babona at your events. What are you learning? What are you teaching? Elong Hore, maybe then you didn't have, or you couldn't teach. Oh, no, now we learn from anyone because you were the chief.
Lentekele chief, but kinal talent. Kinentekele chief, kinal pelu echo. Ke gopola gona le ntato mo tati Sibia. Ona taboka la spornet team. Go comrades marathoning. Then ha go tsama batho ba lo taboka comrades. Ke ne ke tsama le bona. Ntate Sibia ha itla ko training. O ne a rwetse teki. Manteki ya teng ne ya ga Jesse Biteri. O ne skita o re. Ke teki ka le go tabogang ka yona.
Yeah.
And then the following day, ha etsa go taboga. O mona ntsa rwetse teki le go no man.
Oh.
And he was the best runner.
Okay.
Yes, Spornet.
Cool.
Monday, Tuesday, I get like spanning. We get like a donation list. O no maranta tisibia kiwo o tabogile ka this. Ne? Ke kopa re mo donateleng, re mo rekeleng. Aba?
Yeah.
So then take another that thing ya go ga di community work. Ntse ke spana.
Okay.
But ntse ke lemogileng ka gore you can play a part.
Yeah.
Ya gore somebody achieve goal tsa hae. I don't have to nna ke le go tshemekela PSL because of ne ke tshemeka bolo. Ne? But ka dilo tse di tshwane bo di pageant. Batho ba ya kwa America because of nna. So ke create joy. Ha ke se ke tsamaye nna. But ha modimo ratile ke tla tsamaya. But like le mo blom nka o bolela ke re mang o ile America, mang o ile America, mang o ile St Vincent, mang o ile ko kae kae. No ka di 10 tsa April re celebrated the crown tswang kwa America. Ha ke se ke. But ke tabe ke itse gore my goal ya go introduce or ya go produce international queens ke ya chief. O bile ka bo Oskolo.
Yeah.
Bo Oskolo ke bo mme bana ba ha ke re una sacrifice family ya gago for the sake ya community. Marona le damo community ha o bua ka cancer golo. Ha o khone go athasha go tlosa cancer bo sa bua ka golo.
Ke now introduce the Montonza cancer.
Yes. Ne? Ke mme o le gore ha go themang wa kula tlhoka support. Wa ya no wa minsi ka pa minsi wa ya no. Wa ba? Bentse ke ga joke gore nna mo funeraleng yaka ha gona motho wa bolo tlatla bua. Ene ha gona motho wa bolo tla bua go no ne re le go safa mangabung kapa a gona because ke itse the pain ba nkositseng yona. Ya gore you start your own project your own friends ba ba o tlhaba ka mo morago. Ne?
Yeah.
So ke itiretse my own program ya funeral to say but nna ke tlhokala. Because ha ke tlhokala if Bucks a ka ya pele ko hae mama o tla ba sentse re no mara Bucks bentse ko bona ka tlhoketelle ko wena
MC
ko wena o tla bua
as a friend.
as a friend.
Yeah.
Ha nkitse Bucks. An tlhaloga ke kopa le Bucks no a ntse ire a happy ya gage ko stage.
Yeah.
Baba. So if ke tlhokafala ka itse go no go na le batho ba tshoko go na le batho ba cancer go na le bo sekolo go na le
Ke teng ka photography.
mama
Ke teng ka photography.
ha o yo
Hey, Godman le.
because re startile no yana ka 3:30 ne re tshwantse be re startile ka 3 so tla re funeral ya ka go starta ding baba but a gona motho tla nna bue gore no ne re be re ka le ntate chief go di bolong you know so se tla eba mo
Cool.
nka poka ke sho ke mang ke yanda ne
Younger.
yanga mputsitse gona
Yeah, we'll get to that. Ona.
nka starta gape di corporate league ke sharp mo ke le mo di contesting ke sharp
Yeah.
a gona motho reng no re custodian ya football football e shwele no yana mo gae because batho ba re custodians tsa football
Eh.
wa bona go di contestants a gona boli ke custodian re fa bana ing the platform go showcase
Talented.
talent tsa bona so ke sharp mo ke le mo teng ka go it's not about me ke a gore ka o sane ha tla be sentse ke tshwehetse ka pere jacket nyane ne le mahuranyana mo ke sa khola ke bona nyana go tla be go today new miss plus world ke mama or miss South Africa me ke gopola gore di bitso leo ka le gopola le le ngwana ne le go contesting ya ka 19 toloki
Yeah.
ke sharp mo ke le mo teng.
And then the chief ko tabeng ya cancer, cause I've lived for 20 something years, and then taba ya kapa kere cancer survivor ke qadile ho tseba ka wena in 2016 or was it 2017 if I'm not mistaken. Ha ke qala ho tseba. You've worked le batho ba bangata, from batho ba baholo to batho ba banyane, and then along the way you kopane le Sibongile. You decided to adopt. Why is Sibongile out of all batho bo sebeditseng le bona?
Okay. 2012 Bloemfontein branch ya di supporters tsa Pirates ba bang kopa go normal re kopa o re coordinate the celebration mala ba tshwara 40 years.
Yeah.
Dira gala dinner re kopa go direla le pageant and then ka ira pageant and then before the main event ke be ke tsa banyana ba ke ba isa ko Choko ba lo kopana le bana ba na le cancer. And then well go no na le ngwana go theng ke tebogo ba tuna tswa ko Qwaqwa be re connecta nyana le abo and then every time nna ke chakile ke a connecta le Manqane
Okay.
ona le cancer ya madi
Okay.
ke
Just to name few to a person like me as a tsebeng about cancer. The cancer tse di kae? Because there's
the cancer di ngata ne but cancer in short ke motho mo lo mo na di cells. Now how na di cells go na di cells di a shwa o ka lo bona ke re ha ona le o kana